Hey y'all, Ryan here. Just wanted to show you what it's like to do a urine inspection job. Show you kind of what we find, and I'll probably show you how we treat it. Hey buddy. So, aside from the one spot right there, this carpet looks pretty immaculate. And there's no spots, nothing going on. Some toys from kids and stuff. No worries, it's my own kids. This is our family room, or rec room, whatever you want to call it, in the basement. So, all right. A lot of times I hear, your carpets must look amazing. You probably don't have any spots or anything. And I say, well, I have 2 kids and 3 cats, and let's show you what it's like having those. Throw on my inspection light here. Dun dun dun! There you go. Look at all that. There is urine. Everywhere! Oh man. So, this is what happens when you have 3 kitties all over. You would have never noticed had I didn't turn this light on. What urine? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. So, that being said, everybody has this. If you have cats or dogs, I'm going to find something. And it's nothing to be embarrassed about. This is normal. It happens in, I'd say, about 98% of the homes that I go in. It's very, very rare that I might find one with pets that have not gone to the bathroom in the home. It's very rare. So, just wanted to show you guys this, and so you know that it's normal. Oh, and look what my cats do. Oh yeah, aren't they great? Oh, and see all that fun stuff. Yeah. But there you go.